Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your week one screencast video. So I gave everybody a couple of days to become orientated in the course. Hopefully by now you've looked over the opening announcements, viewed the orientation video to observe how the course is delivered and the short syllabus video there. So each week I will post out a schedule. There's the week one schedule, and our activities basically for this week is to get to know each other. The discussion board icebreaker activity is typical of the net classes, where everybody has an opportunity to post about themselves and then offer up three responses to your classmates. So I just want to introduce everybody to the notion of looking for the screencast video. Now, one thing I do need to point out here is that to verify attendance in a net course, you must complete an academic activity. Usually the way that's done is that usually the way that's achieved is you complete the discussion board. Number one, that's why I leave it, excuse me, uh, that's why I leave it as the activity for the first week. If we do not, or I should say, if we cannot verify your attendance by completing the activity, then more than likely you will be dropped from the course. So be aware that just logging in the Blackboard is not sufficient to verify attendance. You must complete an economic activity. So as we move forward, and then to next week, I will post a schedule and a screencast video, more than likely toward Sunday evening into Monday, so that everybody can get a heads up as what activities and what the goals are for each week. All right. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.